Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great and keeping healthy. Today I'm going to talk about the quick donning mask. That's the oxygen mask kept in the cockpit for the pilots. So this is the typical oxygen mask that looks like sweep on crew mask. This is gray in color. It's picture from a 737. The one in dark chocolate color or beige color will be of the 777. So we have three modes: emergency mode, 100 mode in the center, 100%, and normal mode on the right hand side. That is E1, E for emergency, 100%, and N for normal. This is the box, and this is the glasses eye mask which is kept inside this box along with the green color harness. These are the two colors which I just spoke about, and this is a different type of QDM with the oxygen regulator emergency flow at the center at the bottom. This is the picture with the different parts mentioned on it. Sweep on full face for better understanding of each part, like what we call each part. And it can be handed single-handedly, even if pilot is wearing eyeglasses. It can be worn single-handedly as shown in the picture here over the head. So all we need to do is we need to take out this QDM quick donning mask from the box. Press the red buttons and that shall inflate the green harness, and that's how you don it. You put it over the head, release the red buttons, it shall tighten up over the head easily. I've tried showing changing the modes. Like this is on normal mode. Normal means normal air, ambient air mixed with the oxygen on demand. 100% means 100% oxygen, again on demand. And then the emergency mode means emergency means 100% oxygen but not on demand, it's under pressure. So that is very important. It should never ever be kept on emergency while you are donning it or doffing the mask, because the emergency mode is, what it is doing is throwing the oxygen under pressure, so it will not let the harness to inflate and you will not be able to don it. You will not be able to put it over your head because the inflation rate of the green harness won't be that much. So once you don it, then only should be put on to emergency to get rid of the smoke and contaminants. And over the top we have the test and reset button that we use in the pre-flight, and also after using the mask in case required. So yeah, once again, and so once we don the mask, it's on over the head. The boom mic shifts from the boom mic to the oxygen mask mic, and then once it is no longer required, say airplane is below 10,000 feet of cabin altitude or the highest MSA, whichever is higher, then you need to get rid of the mask. You take off the mask and you press that test button. Basically you close the door on which the test button is there, or if any confusion exists, just close all the doors. Mask may be inside or maybe outside hanging somewhere, that's not a big deal. Just test button, reset it so that the oxygen on flow reset placard is no more visible. Oxygen on placard is no more visible, and you get the boom mic also back. So that's how you reset the oxygen flow. And easy way is basically the close the door on which the test button is there. Otherwise any confusion, just close both the doors. So that's how you're going to use the oxygen mask QDM, and make sure it is never ever on emergency unless you are required to use it on emergency, only after donning the mask. And here's the box, look how it looks like. I've shown in a on a diagram few parts of it for better understanding. Sweep on full face mask. For further details, you can refer to your uh, FCOMs. And this is one on the right hand side, storage instructions, how it is to be stored. I hope you like the information provided here in this video, and do like, share, and subscribe the information, and like the channel. Thank you.